Hannah, why did you think it was okay to skip Mutual and drive around with your boyfriend for an hour instead of going to Mutual? You lied to me and you weren't where you said you would be. That makes me sad and upset that you would have done this.
I know I didn't have a good feeling when I was with him because I knew I had lied to you and my leaders, but I did it anyways.
This has impacted many people. First, you have disappointed your leaders because they wanted you to be at the activity. Second, you have disappointed your dad and I because you lied to us and snuck out with your boyfriend. So now we don't feel like we can trust you. Plus, you're not quite 16 yet, and we have a family rule that you can't go on a single date until you're at least 16.
I'm sorry.
Did you think you had to sneak around with him in order to spend time with him? We like your boyfriend and would love to have him over any time. Sneaking around is never okay. We want you to feel like you can be with him and your friends, but not with lying to us.
I guess I didn't think you would allow me to spend time with him. I like the idea of having him over to hang out, though.
Because this has happened, there needs to be some consequences. I would like you to call your young women leaders and apologize for not being there. They work hard putting on these activities and they're away from their families, so when you don't show up, it's not very considerate. Second, what do you think your punishment should be with your boyfriend?
I should probably not be allowed to see him for a couple of weeks.
Well, I don't want it to be too harsh of a punishment, Hannah. Why don't we invite him over so that we can get to know him better? So your punishment will be that you can't go out with your friends for 2 weekends, but they can come to our house. What do you think?
That sounds good. I would love to have my friends over.
In the future, please don't lie to us. Come and talk to me and listen to your heart. You said you knew that what you're doing was wrong. If you don't feel good about it, don't do it. If this happens again, there will have to be more consequences.